And we're back with another video. Got me cuppa. Pretty exciting day today. So as you may or may not be aware, over the last sort of 18 months I've been starting to buy parts for a turbo build for my car. Sold the Breeze car, that's moved on now, and I've used the funds from that to get the last bits that I need for the turbo setup. Now yesterday while I was at work, I had a delivery left at the front door and my turbo showed up. So I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing video and see what's in the boxes. Now it's Wednesday today, can't remember the date, but it was just gone Easter weekend. I ordered this turbo from Pulsar on Thursday last week and it rocked up yesterday on Tuesday. So literally over the Easter weekend, the thing came from China, I think it was shipped from, and arrived at my door on the Tuesday. So yeah, pretty awesome postage. Like I said, I was at work, so I wasn't able to see it. I wanted to open it all up last night and have a look, but I thought I'll wait and yeah, get a video and see what's in the boxes. So I'll rip it open and have a look. Now I've ordered a 3584 with the external wastegate housing. I'm keen to get inside and see what the go is. I'll get them open and then we'll have a look. Okay, got all the strapping off. Got a trusty razor blade, so we'll open them up. This one's the wastegate and this one is the turbo. So we'll open the wastegate up, the little one, and have a look inside that. Okay. Get this bad boy out of here. And there it is. Let's open it up. Okay, just a little bit of, so we've got a bit of foam padding on the top there. Packaged pretty well. Got an instruction manual, a user guide. Got a little, open this guy out. It's a little tool, so that's cool. Put that back in there, and there's the wastegate itself. Let's see if I can get it out. Come on, you bitch. Oh, she's a heavy little sucker. So there it is, 45mm external gate, pretty sexy bit of gear. Let's see what else is in here. All right, we've got a couple of springs, a few springs actually. Got the fittings, so I wasn't sure if you get the fittings for the boost line off that, so that's good that that comes with that. Because all the pictures you see online don't really show everything that come in the kit. So it's good that they're all there, because I was thinking to myself if I'm going to have to get fittings, but yep, it's all there. Got a few different springs here for spring pressures. Now there's the ring in there, and a couple of clamps. Get them out and have a look. So there it is, there's everything that was in the box. We've got the wastegate itself, a few different springs for different boost pressures. We've got the ring, which gets seated in there when you fit it up. A whole bunch of fittings there for the actual ports on the wastegate, and two V-band clamps. One obviously for the screamer, and one for mounting it to the housing. Now I am actually going to plumb the screamer back into the exhaust. I haven't got an exhaust yet. I'm still in the process of sorting out what I want to do there. But I do have one that I might have lined up. So yeah, that's the next thing to do. But yeah, that's everything in the wastegate box. Pretty cool. Now let's open the big boy and see what this turbo is all about. All right, let's see what's in this bad boy. There we have it. Let's have a look. Now I did mention I got the 3584, probably could have got away with the 3582. Apparently it might help the engine make the power easier. And the guy at Pulsar said that there's only like a 1mm difference between the size of the front wheel anyway, so it's not really too much. Yeah, and this will make the power that I'm after quite easily. Get this out. So we just had the installation guide there. paperwork. Here's the screamer. So that'll be getting plumbed back in. That's more for the wastegate side of things. So I've just opened it up. We've got the drain for the turbo. So that's I think that's dash 10, looks like it. And I've got dash 10 fitting on the sump, and I've got a dash 10 oil return line, so that should all work beautifully. Yeah, like I said, the two multi-layered steel gaskets, a little gasket for the oil drain, and our oil restrictor. So when you get a turbo and it comes with an oil restrictor, you need to make sure you use these, because these allow the right flow of oil to get to the turbo. Yeah, you don't want too much oil getting to the bearing, so you can start blowing seals and stuff. So yeah, make sure you use the right restrictor. Cool. All right, let's get this sucker out of here. Get all these bits of plastic off. Have a look at that compressor wheel. Oh, beautiful. So no thread for a boost reference on the housing, so we may put a fitting into that so we can get down to the solenoid, the wastegate solenoid, because I am going to be running a factory boost control. I've already purchased a second-hand turbo ECU, so I bought that from South Australia. The guy said he posted that on Saturday, just gone over the weekend, so I'm hoping that comes this week. But yeah, that's another story. So looking at the turbo, we've got our waterline fittings here, which is awesome. Another thing I wasn't sure about, you don't see these when you see the pictures online. And I did, when I emailed them about the turbo, I did ask about the fittings for the oil feed and return, and he mentioned that they are on the turbo. So yeah, good to know. Yeah, they are right there, they're already fitted. So that's a good thing. So it's going to be pretty straightforward setting this bad boy up. It is a FG turbo, so it should be clocked, hopefully ready to go. We shouldn't have to do anything as far as clocking it, but even if we have to, that's not too hard to do. So it's got the external gate housing, as you can see here. There's no flapper, and a port there for the external gate to sit straight on. I'd like to get the gate out and put a clamp on and just see how it all looks, but I'm actually in a rush. I've got to get ready for work, but I couldn't help myself. I just wanted to get all this open and have a look at it. So pretty sexy. I've just got the instruction booklet out, and they've given me some free stickers as well, so that's pretty cool. A couple of silver ones and a red one, so I can chuck them over the grey. I'm not sure if I'll put them on the car or not. I don't really run stickers on my car. I do have one sticker on there, but yeah, pretty cool nonetheless. And there it all is. That's everything laid out. I opened up the screamer just to have a look at that, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's just going to go off the wastegate, and then we'll get that plumbed back into the exhaust. But yeah, like I said, I'm strapped for time here. I just checked the time and I've got to get ready for work. So this one was just a quick video, just to get these unboxed and see what was in there. And yeah, we're getting closer and closer to getting this turbo done. A few things left to order, but yeah, we're not too far away now. And then it's what, I think it's the 23rd of April today. I'm hoping in early June, I've got about 11 days off of work, so I'm hoping to have everything I need before that time, and then I should be able to get stuck into getting all this fitted. Fingers crossed. But yeah, we're slowly getting there. Finally.